Okay, we're here on the Manistee River Trail in Michigan. When Jen and I we started yesterday and it started raining, so our matches got wet. So Jen has this cool knife, you see, and it has this thingamajig. And we attempt to start a fire on our own. We're cooking our food right now. It's lunchtime. Come on, I'll show you. Check this out. So this is the what is this called, Jen? The original Trangia. And that's how we cook our food. So we're gonna fire it up. Woo! Feel that. Voila! Woo! So now we're gonna start cooking our food here. Just put that inside like yay. That's hot. Awesome. Put this back on its holder here. There you go. Now it's a hunting knife as well. Cool, isn't it? So we got the fire started and it started boiling, so we poured some pasta, and so we're going to be cooking it for 7-8 minutes. Look how beautiful this place is. It's really nice. All throughout the trail in the Manistee River Trail.
Manistee.
Or Manistee. And we're like hills, mountains, and there's a creek of water. It's so cool, you know. So tonight we're gonna cheat. This spot right here is where we're gonna go camping. Jen says that we're supposed to be at least 200 feet away from the river, or 100 feet away from the trail itself. But I didn't know that, so we're gonna camp right here. All right, that's getting there. It's almost cooked, but it's not quite. So what we're gonna do is put it off and place it on the side, and we can cook other things. So we're placing it right there. Put this in between. Oh, I made a mistake. Jen made this. Look at this. Isn't that cool? All right, put that in there. There you go. Now we're gonna let it sit there and cook. Cover it for a while, for a few more minutes. Now we're gonna prepare this. This is, I believe, lentil soup. There's the good old fire there. Put that in. Sweet. Nice, look at that. Cool setup, huh?
But that still looks like a lot of water. I only put in 1 cup of water.
Oh, you did?
But that still looks
Can
like...
you lift that closer to the camera
Maybe I
real
should
quick?
taste it first, huh? Before I add something to it, huh?
If you like. Is that good?
Here, what do you think? Should I add the bouillon cube or not?
Alright, let me try it. You definitely need to add some more bouillon cube. Okay, so you're adding some of that bouillon cube. So is that chicken base or what? What is it?
This is the Unchicken Bouillon by Edward and Sons. Makes everything taste better.
Cool.
That was about like a 1/6 of a cube, maybe. Just a little piece.
So while that's cooking, our pasta has been sitting here.
Yeah, see if the pasta
steaming
looks
up.
delicious yet.
Look at that. Ooh, that looks pretty good. So now we're gonna be adding some.
Does it need to be drained? There's strainer holes in that lid.
Oh, cool. Okay. All right. So I'm gonna strain this out, and then we're gonna add the vegan cheese. We're ready for lunch. Awesome. Oh, macaroni cheese, vegan style.
This is Daiya brand.
Daiya brand. Oh my golly. Yum yum. Alright, so that's what we're gonna have for lunch. And which one is this?
That's the lentil soup.
We have the lentil soup. Sweet. We're ready. I don't know. We don't know how long this is going to take. We're gonna attempt it with the good knife. Jen and I actually have all this different sizes to get the fire ready. There you go. I think it's a good start. Alright. I don't know if this is gonna start, John. We'll try it, right? Okay, we may have to cheat. Oh, this is not easy. Ten minutes later. Oh, this is exhausting. I don't know if this is going to work. Okay, it did work, guys, but sorry we didn't put it on video. Fire starting. Oh, 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 uh-oh, we're losing it. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. Okay. More, more. Hold on, hold on. I'm panicking. More. Okay, we're starting our fire now. Ah. More small ones. There you go. I think we got it started. The real logs. See this log? It fell down, but it's growing again, going up. Isn't that cool? So, I'm gonna attempt to walk all the way up there and just gonna take videos. Ha! Get in there. Get my foot in there. Isn't that cool? Hey, we're here at the Manistee River. Hey, we're here in the Manistee River. No. Hi, we're in the Manistee.
We're on the Manistee River Trail.
Oh.